It's a nice day. Ala, grabe ang ating lumaki na oh. Tapang aming tanim na ano. Ayan. Ito ay, baby, we need to harvest. I-harvest na namin tong, ano ga to? Ano ang tawag dyan? Ayan. Hindi, radish. Hey, Ben! Oh, naka-harvest na naman si Ben ng mulberry. For me? Okay.
Yeah, there's another one.
Thank you. May mulberries na. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo. Yan, oh.
And over there.
Ay.
2 mulberries left.
Ayun pa, oh. Doon pa sa mataas. Ayun, oh. Ayan, ready na yung itim. Uy, ang dami. Season na pala. Yan na. May mulberries na. Yan, kaya tinanim ko to. Para yung mga bata may ma-harvest. Uy, baka ka tumaob. Wow! You gave it to Daddy? Okay. Nag-harvest na siya para daw sa aming lahat. Binigyan niya kami tigisa. Mataas eh, kaya pinuputol namin to ng halfway yearly para hindi siya tumaas. Kaya inan ko to para sa mga bata. Ito pa, Ben. Ito. Ito pa, Ben. Ito pa, Ben. Cha, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha. For me? Aww. Thank you, babe. That is so sweet. Marami pa, Ben.
When you rub it with your hand, it's sweet.
Yeah? Yeah. It is. Teka lang, mag-harvest tayo ng mulberries.
Very high.
It's very high.
High up.
So yun nga, dun sa bahay na nilalakaran, nakita ko grabe ang daming may itim na yung bunga talaga ready na.
Reach that mulberry. Two big ones.
Lalaki this year. Ito pa guys, mulberry season. Is that what you want? Oops. Okay. Mulberry season. Mulberry season.
You could get the one on the lower.
No, I want you to have it, baby. Go ahead.
Why?
Why? I wanted to have it.
Look, look.
Uy! Ito pa.
Get that. That's
for you. Huh?
You.
Oh. Okay, I'll take it. Sarap, guys. Ben, take a picture.
It's one of my favorite foods.
Ang tamis. Marami, guys, this year. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi marami kaming ulan. Ang dami pa, kaya maputi pa. Uy, ang dami talaga. Tapos, guys, meron kaming, ito pa, Bet. May nakita kami na ano. Oh. Uy, uy.
Just a look for the tree.
I don't know if that's good. Maybe not. That's okay.
Yeah, it's kind of moldy.
Uy, there's a lot on the top eh. Yes, yan.
Branch. That one. That branch.
Hold on, baby. Akin na, I'll do it.
From a branch.
Uy, Ben.
It's food.
I know. Hold on, I need the chair. Mulberries. Gusto niya? Hindi, yung mapula pwede na. Yung itim, are.
Get the mulberry.
Andito si Mother. Ay, malalaki ngayon ang bunga. Last year, ano eh. Last year, wala eh. Yung ayan ah. Yan pa oh.
Why you call me Ben Ben?
Because you're Ben Ben.
Where?
There you go. Yeah. No. Even if it's red, as long as it has a little black color, It's ready. Yeah, that one's good too. Let's try this one. We need... Cat. Huh?
For you.
For me? Sweet. Okay guys, so harvestin na natin yung radishes. Makain na natin mamaya. Yeah. Ready?
Kind of wiggle. Oh,
wow, that's
nice.
perfect.
That was easy to get.
That's yours. That's
You're nice.
Daddy's favorite. And I can eat the top.
Radish.
Oh, that one. If it's halfway, let's see this one. Okay,
Oh,
that's a
kinda
nice
small,
size.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's...
Daddy, this is halfway too. This one. It's mini,
Oh,
but
that one is...
halfway. Yes.
okay.
Should we
It's
leave
okay.
it? Should we let it?
Yeah, it's halfway already. I think when it's...
Daddy, I found,
Some are just smaller.
Yeah,
I
it's
guess.
smaller because
Daddy, I
it's...
found one over
Maybe it's not
here.
getting as
No.
much sun.
Yeah.
Big.
It's pretty small, but
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
radish. Hey, look, you missed this.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Hey, another one.
Oh no, this one came off. Okay, I'm gonna cook the leaves.
How about this?
But this one
Look, this big.
is a
This
big.
one is big.
Yeah. It's eaten. That's. Ito naman, it's not ready yet. The white one. See, it was eaten.
Oh,
I
that's
know.
how did the birds find it under those bunches of
No, the worms and the bugs, and not just the birds, but ito guys, meron pa ulit tayo dito na, ayan na ang ating ampalaya, oh. Na lumaki na, papunta na siya dito sa ating ating idikit dito, ayan. Ito, Ben, this is mulberries too. Ito guys, mulberry din to. So we're gonna harvest mulberries here too. Pag ano na to, mga after a year. Kasi pa ano na to eh, pa second year na to. Oh, ang dami nito guys. So may mulberry ulit tayo dito maha-harvest. Ayan, ang ating kalabasa. Ano ba to, kalabasa? Yeah, hindi ko alam. Ayun, ang melon. Ito ay melon. Ito melon to. Okay, teka lang at ito yung bigay ng kapitbahay. Alright. Binubunot ko tong mga labanos na maliit. Dahon, tsaka yung bunga. Aray, gusto yung tingnan gayon. Maliit pa nga. Ay, ang malunggay, oh. Sumibol. Aba, ayun pa. May isa pang sumibol na malunggay, guys. Malunggay. Is there more, Ben? Mulberries. Ben, baka ka mahulog. Oh, wow. You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Ay! Okay. Ito. Here. Good catch. Ito, ano to, Ben? Blackberries. That's blackberries. Ito yung figs. Yan, daming blackberries. Kaya lang these blackberries are sour. Ito. Yung puti ang matamis-tamis.
Blackberry. Blackberry.
These are corn. Ben, don't pull this. This is corn. I put corn in here.
Wow.
Corn. Ito, corn ba to? Is this corn? I think this is corn. Ayan, corn. So, may corn din ako. Okay. May mga corn din tayo. Maybe I should put more corn, Ben. Meron akong regular na corn eh.
Poison ivy.
I know, poison ivy. Ito, itatanim ko pa to. Wala na akong space. Siguro yung watermelon. Watermelon, dito ko na lang siya tatanim with the cilantro. Ito yung naano ng bagyo.
What happens if you're in the forest and all you have to eat is wild
I know.
strawberry? That's all that is edible. And it looks sugary.
Sugar. Looks sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably sweet. This is mulberry again. Mulberry. We will have a lot of mulberry trees.
And that's a